Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the cyberpunk outfit hack in Dress to Impress. So here I already put on the hair and makeup. You can basically choose the hair that you want. So I'm using this long braid hair and this glow or like neon makeup here with green eyeshadow. And first, you just need to put on this top, and I'm going to just leave the corset sides into black, and the corset front I'm going to change it with this green color. Okay, this one. And I'm going to make the materials into neon, so it will glow up like this. And for the rest of them, I'm going to just change it into all black. Now for the skirt, I'm going to use this one, and here I'm going to just change this lace at the bottom into green like this one. So for the rest of them, I'm going to just go with black, and this one is green like this. And don't forget to change it into neon so it glows. Next, let's put on the stocking. So I'm going to use this one and just going to just leave it as it is and put on a shock, this one, and toggle it into high strip shocks and change the color into green and black. Again, don't forget to change the material into neon. Now for the shoe, I'm going to put one on from the code item. So this is the shoe that I'm going to wear. And here I'm going to change the color again into green and make it neon. So this is the shoe. And now let's put on some accessory. First one, I'm going to put on a necklace here. Let's use this one. And I'm going to change this one into green. And again, make it neon. And also put on some earrings. Here, I'm going to make it green again. So for the accessory, you can just put anything that you want. Here I'm going to make it green again. And this is optional, but you can also put on hand shock here. Make it. And this is it. This is the final look for the cyberpunk outfit. So what do you think? I hope you like this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye!